The forgotten protector of Earth rises, and the universe trembles in fear. The archives deep beneath London held secrets older than any living human remembered. James Thompson, a junior archivist, stumbled upon a dusty tome while reorganizing ancient records. The leather-bound book contained diagrams of celestial objects and what appeared to be star maps. More intriguing were the repeated references to the ancient guard, written in languages spanning millennia. Across the galaxy, the Galactic Council debated humanity's recent application for membership. The Argonian ambassador, Krell, sneered at Earth's primitive technology. These creatures barely mastered interstellar travel. They pose no threat and offer nothing of value. The Vorthak representative, Supreme Commander Thorg, disagreed. According to our scouts, Earth sits at a nexus, point of ley lines that crisscross the universe. Such positions often harbor ancient powers. His warning went unheeded. James spent months deciphering the ancient texts. The breakthrough came when he discovered a pattern in the star charts. They referenced specific cosmic events occurring once, every 10,000 years. According to his calculations, that cosmic alignment would happen in mere months. The texts spoke ominously of awakening the sleeping giant. Meanwhile, the Council grudgingly accepted Earth's application. Krell's faction saw opportunity for exploitation. Let them join. We'll strip their resources before they realize their mistake. The treaty was signed, binding Earth to galactic law and exposing it to powers beyond human comprehension. 3 months later, Earth scientists detected unusual gravitational anomalies. Deep space telescopes observed massive objects emerging from what seemed to be cosmic debris fields. These structures defied known physics, appearing and disappearing in locations spanning the observable universe. James's research revealed these objects were defensive platforms, dormant for eons. The texts called them guardian nodes, positioned to protect Earth from existential threats. His blood ran cold when he read the activation criteria: any external threat attempting to subjugate Earth's sovereignty. The Karn hegemony, a predatory empire noticing Earth's valuable position, dispatched their invasion fleet. They were not alone. The Nexus Collective, comprised of energy-based beings, decided Earth's ley line junction would serve as their new power source. Both forces converged on the Sol system simultaneously. Aboard the Hegemony flagship, Admiral Vex studied tactical displays. Once we breach Earth's primitive defenses, their capitulation is inevitable. The Council Treaty makes them legal targets now. In the Nexus Collective's energy matrix, the Prime Unit calculated, absorbing Earth's ley lines will increase our power exponentially. The humans are too weak to resist. Neither invader expected the universe itself to take notice. As their fleets entered the Oort cloud, something stirred in the cosmic background. James's artifact began emitting harmonic frequencies. Around the globe, similar objects in museums, private collections, and forgotten vaults resonated in unison. Ancient stone circles hummed with power. The aurora borealis exploded into unprecedented displays of color. From observatories worldwide, astronomers reported the impossible. The guardian nodes were activating, revealing themselves as colossal constructs larger than moons. Each possessed crystalline cores pulsing with energy older than any recorded civilization. The Karn fleet detected the anomalies too late. As they breached the Kuiper Belt, reality itself seemed to bend. The guardian nodes phase shifted, creating an impenetrable lattice around the solar system. The hegemony's warships designed to shred planets found themselves unable to penetrate the barrier. Impossible, Vex stammered. No species possesses such technology. The Nexus Collective attempted their energy-based infiltration. They discovered, to their horror, that the guardian nodes didn't just repel physical matter. They nullified energy manipulation itself. Their essences scattered across light years, barely maintaining coherence. In the guardian node's crystalline cores, ancient AI awakened. They had been created by Earth's forgotten progenitors, a species that had ascended beyond physical form, but never forgotten their homeworld. The AIs initiated defensive protocols unchanged for countless ages. The attackers' fates sealed, The nodes transmitted system-wide. Every radio, every screen, every communication device on Earth received the same message in perfect clarity. The children of Earth are protected. They always have been. They always will be. James stood in his archive, the ancient tome glowing with inner light. He understood now why the texts had been preserved so carefully, passed down through generations of keepers. Earth had never been alone or abandoned. The Galactic Council convened an emergency session as reports flooded in. The Karn Hegemony's entire invasion force, destroyed. The Nexus Collective, scattered and powerless. Both neutralized by technology that rendered their greatest weapons irrelevant. Krell, the Argonian ambassador who had been most dismissive, received a private communication. Scanning it, his scales paled. The Ancient Ones marked Earth as sacrosanct. Any species that threatens humanity faces total annihilation. The council chamber fell silent. Records from the oldest civilizations spoke of a species that had reached technological apotheosis and disappeared, leaving only protection for their descendants. These legends had been dismissed as myths until now. Earth received a formal apology and elevation to a position of unprecedented influence. The protection of the Guardian nodes extended beyond mere defense. It created a sphere of sovereignty that no empire dared violate. Humanity had not risen alone. They had been watched, protected, and waited for. The universe, which had seemed so vast and threatening, revealed itself as a stage where ancient guardians still played their part. James Thompson became Earth's first ambassador to the Galactic Council. His first act was ensuring the protection of other developing worlds, extending humanity's inherited responsibility outward. The Guardian nodes remained active, silent sentinels across the cosmic dark. They served as a reminder to all civilizations. Some species are not just protected by their own strength, but by the loving foresight of those who came before. Humanity stepped into the galactic community, not as supplicants, but as inheritors of a legacy that made them nearly untouchable. The universe had trembled, not from fear of humanity itself, but from the power that humanity's ancestors had wielded, and would wield again if necessary. In the vast cosmic dance, Earth had never been alone. The forgotten protectors had awakened, and their message was clear. Humanity's journey had only just begun, and no force in the universe would stand in their way.